What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Excited to start putting everything back on Jaylene's Evo. So if you guys have watched the last video, we ended up painting all the wiper arms. We did use Cerakote trim coating on the cowls. We also did some trim coat on top on the mirrors as well too, and they came out really nice. And I attempt to vinyl wrap the roof for the very first time. I guess it looks okay. In the last video I kind of mentioned that like it could have been better. I mean, it's not worse wrap though, but there is some small little things that kind of bothers me the most right now, and I'm pretty sure these are just all like the small air pocket. When we first applied the wrap, it looked great, and I thought I squeegee all the air out, but unfortunately there is some little bit, it's like I don't know how to explain it at first though, but you can see it right here. It's not terrible. It could have been better, could be a lot worse though, but being that it was my first time playing around with vinyl wrap, I guess it's an okay job. But I think I might have like a familiar feeling of how to prevent this happen again. I'm planning on not leaving this wrap on for maybe a month or so. I'm planning to order another roll of wrap and try it again. I don't think I told you guys this though, but the roof of the condition, how it looked, there was some little light clear like showing, and like, there's a little scratches. It's kind of like when you like the scratches of when you use like a brush when you're washing a car. Whatever I had here in the garage is what I've used to kind of prep the roof. So I clay bar, 70% IPA alcohol, then we tend to lay down the vinyl wrap. Not really gonna beat myself up. Like I said, it's the first time. I'm gonna try my best to get it better than how it was before. So let's go ahead and start buttoning things up. I do need to put back the antenna. We have all the miscellaneous stuff like the wipers, cowls, all these stuff buttoned up. We also need to button up the panels in the inside where we had to remove and drop the headliner to get access into the antenna to get that removed. And I also have two longer bolts for the clutch fork stopper. It should be long enough to get it installed with the clutch slave on the car. Before we go ahead and install the windshield cowl, there's one brand new part that needs to be installed, and you guys already know what I'm talking about. And this is our brand new roof dripping molding. After painting the roof molding, I kind of felt stupid, to be honest with you, about painting them and try to put it and try to install it back on Jaylene's Evo. The best way is to get a brand new molding from Mitsubishi, the dealer, locally here in Las Vegas. And I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting they would have it in stock, which is freaking cool. I don't know which side it is though. I think this is the left, if I could be honest. But here is the part number, guys. My, oh my. Dude, you cannot beat this quality, guys. I'm so hyped right now to install this. It comes with all the clips already, so you don't have to buy new clips. So we do need to remove the old clip that is on the car right now. And all this will just clip right in. Before you push the roof moldings into the body, you want to make sure that these white clips over here sits on this part of the body. Otherwise, there's nowhere else to clip it. So just remember that, guys. That brand new drip molding on the car, guys, looks so much better and it makes a difference right there. Along with the roof and trim coating, the cowl, man, that looks so freaking good. We decided to leave the wiper arms. The wiper blades are not in good condition though, but I must say, guys, this car, look, it makes a difference right now. I am very stoked how the car turned out. Let's go ahead and pull Jaylene's Evo out of the garage and see how it looks like on the driveway. We do have a little bit of light, so let's go ahead and warm up this car. Guys, damn, it looks so freaking good. What a huge difference from black roof, brand new moldings, clean up the cowl, and also the mirrors as well too, wiper arms. This has been an exciting moment for a long time. I guess the last exciting moment was when we were back at the Big Island getting my car running. But after doing this on Jaylen's car, it just looks so good. I feel more happy and excited about this moment. Like, I know that in the past we were just fixing the car a little bit here and there, but just doing like a little mods like this just makes it much cleaner look. Let's go ahead and wipe down the car with some ceramic wax. It's gonna clean up real nice after this. We got a little package that came in from yesterday, and it is the antenna for the Evo, a VMS. It comes with other thread size as well, so which is really nice. Let's go ahead and put this on. It's gonna look real nice. Well, here you go, guys. This is how the car currently looks as now. She looks clean now. Looks nice. Huge difference, guys. I am gonna go ahead and wrap on the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the series of little mods on Jaylene's Evo. This car looks clean. I said it so many times. I'll be honest with you guys, to buy a brand new cowl now, for sure. And also the door trim as well. I think it's gonna pop real nice, brand new. This car definitely will need some wheels. We've been running on this OEM wheels for like the longest time since we got the car, and hopefully one day we could get wheels to put on the car, and it's gonna pop real nice after that with everything. Aloha, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.